Starting from this video, we'll learn an actual tags. So we'll start with the headings tags. So headings tags is just used for creating the headings. So there are 6 type of headings. Each one is the most important in terms of accessibility. What that means is whenever there's a search engine bot coming to the website, the first thing it looks the H1 tag. Okay, so whenever there's something in the H1 tag, it takes that as a heading, as a main meaning of the website. So I suggest you to not to overuse H1, to just use that in a very important headings. Okay, the H6 is the less important and less little short one in terms of size and design. So we will see that in actions now. So let's see in actions. I'm gonna create lesson for HTML. So we have already used H1 once. I'll say hello, or just say heading 1. Okay, I'm gonna copy that and paste 6 times. 4, 5, 6. So what I'm gonna do, I will change this only. Okay, there's an easy method to change both at the same time. You keep pressing the Control and click another way. You can see we can write in the both places. Okay, whenever writing it writes in the both places. It's H3, so I will do the same for here. I'll do the same here. I made a mistake in above. It should be 4. It should be 6. Okay, after you wrote everything correctly, let's also change this. 3, 4, 5, and 6. Just hit save, Control S, and open that in the browser. As you can see, all the heading is synced from top to the bottom. I said the heading is the most important and the bigger one. While we go down, it gets decreasing and decreasing till H6.